the only one that's ridden it on track. Like no one else has ridden it on the track. Yeah, exactly. Nah, no. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. And that's the point, isn't it? It's like the same with any racetrack, right? I've been shit against Ben Lee, though. Ben Lee goes around the racetrack. Maybe, it depends how flooded that bit is. I mean, it looks like the path up there is... Shall I bracket it, or...? Yeah, go for it, man. I'm not going to turn you down that one, mate. Don't mind, mate. So Dean, as Dean's going out to recce, as we sent him in Scotland, is it moist, Dean? I wonder how deep that goes, because like it's the path. I think that bit's clearly done, because that path must dip down in that middle bit. Ride through it? Because the end bit is fine. You can see the part of the path there, there's a road going across. So that must dip down. I take it you guys wouldn't want to ride through that, would you? Well, I've ridden through stuff. Would you ride through it if I make it? It depends how. Depends what you look like afterwards. Alright, I'm not going to go that way. No. Yeah, because I don't know if there's another way. Don't look deep, yeah, does it? No, it looks okay. That looks good. And that looks good, but it's not too bad. Fuck's sake. How's your swimming, mate? Yeah. We sent him in for as the guinea pig first. First time. You have it to service once, see? I think it's just taking it slow more than anything. Just taking it slow is the key. Oh, is it flooded? Let's get a video of that and the weir. Oh, fucking hell. Yeah. Wow. That. Well, you know that bit we go around the turnstile and like where the, where the lock bit is. That is basically where the thing is. Yeah. No chance, mate. Yeah, that is honestly that is well. I know the Danish camp is okay, so it depends how much like this tank is affected by the path further along. So maybe there's got to be there's probably a roadway, isn't there? I mean they have got a life jacket thing here as well. They've got a life jacket thing here anyway, so there's got to be a there's probably a little country road or something. Cambridge will be alright, but Phew, I made it, guys. I made it. It's just a circle then, isn't it?
And I always do it big because I can. Oh man. Do it big because I can. You know it. And I always do it big because I can. Man. Huh? And I always do it big because I can. Since a youngin' I've been on it. Yeah. Working to the night time till I'm on it. Yeah. Man, I hear you talk, but do you want it? Yeah. Red eye flights to the money. And I had to cut my name out in the sand. Yeah. Make sure that they know just who I am. Yeah. And I always do it big because I can. Yeah. I'm cloud nine, hoping I don't land. And I always do it big because I can. Oh man. Do it big because I can. And I always do it big because I can. Man. Huh? And I always do it big because I can. Been living life to the fullest. Move out my way or you can get with the movement. VVS diamonds round my wrist be the coolest. I done messed around and turned my dentist to a jeweler. I put in the work so you know I gotta do it. Cause you work hard, you play hard, take care of the whole squad. From the moment my day start, I make moves and play smart. Ain't had much but I play cards. Been working with the hand I'm dealt. Took a chance and rolled the dice. Now I'm counting on my wealth. Still remember them days when I ain't had nobody but myself. Still remember them days when I was hoping that they come and help. Haters looking around the corner, better make your moves step. I'm sick to see you win, cause they been waiting just to see you fail. Niggas right now that's locked up in the cell. Couldn't make it home cause mama couldn't post. God knows heaven sick, cause my people done been through hell. And I always do it big because I can. Oh man. Do it big because I can. And I always do it big because I can. Man. Huh? I always do it big because I can. And I always do it big because I can. Oh man. Because I can. I'm cloud nine, hoping I don't land. I always do it big because I can. And I always do it big because I can.
Pendulum shit. He had to do the pendulum shit. Oh really? Oh.